Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting new features of the upcoming iPhone 16. Let's start with the game-changing enhancements Apple has in store for us. First up, let's talk about RAM. All iPhone 16 models are expected to feature a whopping 8 GB of RAM. This increase isn't just a number. It's a powerhouse move that supports advanced features like Apple Intelligence. With more RAM, the iPhone 16 will handle multiple apps simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Whether you're multitasking between heavy-duty apps or just enjoying a seamless user experience, this upgrade means no more compromising on speed or responsiveness. Imagine video calling your friends, browsing the web, and playing your favorite game all at once, smooth as butter. That's the kind of power we're talking about. Next, let's dive into the heart of the iPhone 16, the A18 processors. These aren't just powerful. They're built using an advanced 3nm manufacturing process. So, what does that mean for you? One of the most exciting implications is improved battery life. Despite the significant performance boosts, the A18 and A18 Pro processors are more energy efficient than ever before. This means you can enjoy all the enhanced capabilities of the iPhone 16 for longer periods without constantly searching for a charger. It's all about high performance and energy efficiency working hand in hand. From morning meetings to late-night streaming, the iPhone 16 is designed to keep up with your day without needing frequent recharges. It's about delivering an exceptional user experience every step of the way. So, there you have it. The incredible new RAM capabilities and efficiency gains of the iPhone 16. With these upgrades, Apple is setting the stage for a smoother, faster, and longer-lasting user experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.